Hi guys, it's Ahmed here from Car Sound Security. We just installed Ghost 2 in Volkswagen GTI 2019 and customer is happy and is gonna leave some feedback.
Definitely happy with this. This Ghost feature is really good. There's no error messages on the dashboard, and it's very simple and easy to use. I would definitely recommend this. And yeah, Ahmed is really good.
Thank you very much. Hi guys, it's Ahmed here from Car Sound Security. I've got a job booked in which I've just completed, BMW M4 2018, and it's fully working and the customer is really happy with the features and the service. And I've got Tafin here who's going to leave me a quick feedback. Hi Tafin.
Oh, you're right, Amir. Really good job fitted by Amir. He's come down today. They booked me for today. Fitted the device. Phenomenal device. Definitely recommend to get it done if you're spending 40 grand on a vehicle. You know, £400 is nothing really. That way your car's safe. You ain't going anywhere. Great job. Thanks, Amir. I'll be using you lot again, definitely.
Thanks Tafin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, it's Ahmed here from Car Sound Security. I've just managed to install a Ford Fiesta 2009 Ghost Immobiliser and it's all fully working, and we've got a customer who's really happy with the service and he's gonna leave some feedback. Hi Mr. Combo, you okay?
Yeah, all good. So I think Ghost has just been installed in the car and it's working really well, and it's even got its own service mode. Installation was like really quick, really nice. So yeah, thanks Amir for all your help. So yeah, I feel a bit more secure now, and it's nice and easy to use, and I'll change the code when I'm ready.
Thank you Mr. Combo.
Cheers.
Thank you. Just managed to install a Ghost 2 in VW Golf R Line 2 door, and I've got a customer happy to leave some feedback.
You're right, okay. Yes, Amir's been here now. He's fitted it all for me. He's explained it, showed me how to do the thing. I'm satisfied. Everything seems in order. The proof is in the pudding. I'll see if it's ever stolen. I can't say much more because, you know, as I say, I haven't tried it yet, but fingers crossed. I have full faith in this young man. Hopefully, you know, if the thieves do come again, they won't be able to take it. I can't say much more. As I say, the proof is in the pudding. I'll let you know when I can. Okay, but everything's been fine. The young man's been courteous and done everything he told me he's going to do. I can't say any more. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, it's Ahmed here from Car Sound Security. We just managed to install the Ghost 2 in Range Rover Velar, fully working. Hi guys, it's Ahmed here. I've just managed to install a Ghost 2 Range Rover Velar 2019, all fully working. For customer, she is camera shy, but she'll leave some feedback.
Hi Amir. Amir's come from Birmingham to install my Ghost alarm. We've already had someone else round who was absolutely rubbish, but Amir has managed to sort all the problems out. He's done everything in an hour and a half, and we're really pleased with him, so please use him. Thank you.
Thanks Lynn for your feedback. Thank you.